We're from New York, so it was a big leap for us. I had been researching for like 5 years wanting to move down here, and I finally said to him last year I had enough of New York and I was moving with or without him. And then so he came down and looked, and they had met with a realtor, and he's like, "You're gonna love it, you gotta come down here." And so we came in April, and I started looking at some listings prior to then, and it directed us actually to this area, Bolivia, and we just fell in love with it.
You liked Avalon right from the beginning?
Yeah, Avalon was always our top choice, this community. We weren't actually attracted to the Arden first, and we're so glad we ended up in it because we can't picture ourselves in something else. It looks so much bigger in person than online. Yeah. You really have to go in person. I mean, the amount of storage space in this house and cabinet space, it's just so spacious.
And we liked it right from the beginning. It was like right from the start.
When we came into this one and we're like, this is beautiful. It was just, it blew us away.
We were looking mostly, we liked the pool. Our kids definitely wanted a pool. That was a big part of our decision. And
then the lake was like an add-on for us because being from New York, we don't really have that outdoor active lifestyle where we were in New York. So we really wanted to get active ourselves and get our kids active. So it was like a plus to it. And then of course, you know, the playground, all kids love playgrounds. And our son actually loved the pickleball court here so much, and he asked for a set for his birthday, and so he got that. And now all he can talk about is going down there and playing with his friends. So all the extra amenities really just added to it. I will recommend Joe to anybody and everybody. He was like one of the first people that we met with, and he's been with us from day one and really guided us and knew what we were looking for and steered us in the direction. Not pushy at all. He just was very laid back and friendly, like, I'm here if you need. Very knowledgeable, knew everything, whether it was the area of him being here from himself.
Always answered the phone. Yep,
always answered the phone. Checked on us, you know, after we moved in, made sure everything was okay, we were happy. And as far as the process, once we went under contract in this home, it was very quick because this home specifically actually was ready to close. They pushed and they got us closed in 2 weeks.
Yes.